Hello everybody, today I am going to be doing another product review on a product that is pretty classic in terms of the beauty hair world, something that a lot of people use, something that I was definitely not impressed with. I don't like to do negative reviews, but I do need to say my honest opinion because it's important. As consumers, we need to know what's up with the world, what's up with the things that are on our shelves, so I'm going to do that. So first of all, this is the Paul Mitchell Flexible Style Fast Drying Sculpting Spray Working Spray. So my grandparents are hairdressers, and I first purchased this product just because I recognized it in the store, and I was like, oh my god, I need to try this. I want to try this, so I did. It's the minier size, so it's only 3.4 ounces. It's not as big as, I think they have a bigger, way bigger full-size one. This product has been around for a while. Paul Mitchell is a pretty established hair brand. Their products are hit or misses for me for a high-end hair care brand, but mostly hits. This one was the first miss that I've ever had. Basically, I wanted a hairspray that was not super heavy, but would kind of hold a little bit of the natural wave that I have, just because my hair is super duper straight. But for anybody, I'm sure that this could maybe hold someone's hair that was a little bit heavier than mine. For mine, it was just so heavy, on my hair. So the directions just say spray onto finished style. Guaranteed only when sold by a professional hairdresser. So that's not really something I really worry about. But basically, they just want you to use it like a hairspray. Now, it's not an aerosol. It's just a spray. It's a clear spray. The scent is extremely strong. Now, if you are sensitive to strong smells and to things like that, you are not going to enjoy this product at all. You're gonna hate it. It smells pretty old lady-esque. It's not very modern in terms of scents go. It's not fruity, it's not light. It's hardcore hairspray. If you like the smell of hairspray, you're gonna like this product because it's definitely there. Now, how it comes out of the spray, it's kind of hard to show on camera. I can try, but you can see it's pretty heavy when I spray it. It does not come out light. If you use it from a distance, it's still pretty heavy. I'm sure it's for hardcore hairstyles, but for every day, I feel so crunchy. My hair feels like a mess. It feels like a mess, I tell you. I will just blow dry my hair, style it with a straightening iron like I usually do, spray a little bit of it on from a distance, 8 to 12 inches, like they always tell you to do with hairspray, and it's a mess. It's I can't even run my fingers through my hair. This scent bothers me. If you get any on your face, forget about it. You're gonna have this white little film on your face. It's gonna feel uncomfortable. It might break you out. I have a feeling that this is what made my chest break out. I feel like I got a little bit of it on my chest because I don't normally break out like that. And the chemicals in it. The chemicals, a ton of alcohol, water, there's jojoba leaf extract, rosemary. So, I don't know. It's just... I think you could find something much better, much more natural, much better for the environment, much better for your hair. This stuff is so drying. If you use so much alcohol in your hair, you're going to have problems. Your hair is going to become brittle. It's going to break. The ends of your hair are going to become frayed. I think people forget that hairspray is not the best thing to be using on your hair, aerosol or not. This one is just not what it says it is. It's not flexible. It doesn't really sculpt. It didn't even leave my hair in the shape that I wanted it to. It just kind of made my hair look separated and greasy and feel dry and cracky at the same time. It was just a confusing predicament I was in. Wind? Horrible. I tried it in the wind because I was like, oh, maybe this will keep my hair in place, my bangs especially. Those get crazy in the wind. Absolutely not. It made my bangs separate pieces. It just looked like I was Lydia Deetz from Beetlejuice. It just did not do the look that I was wanting at all. And for the amount that the product runs for, and for how much you get, and for the quality that you get, I cannot say with confidence that this would do you any good. Maybe if you had super thick hair and a curl to your hair and wanted to use this when it was wet and or not wet, but a little bit damp and scrunch it, maybe that would work for you. But for like straight hair, for people with thinner hair, or just straight up straight hair, no matter how thick it is, you're gonna run into problems. You're just gonna have that white film. I looked close up to my hair. I noticed that it gave me a little bit of dandruff. It wasn't like it was for my scalp, but it was like artificial dandruff. It was like dandruff from this product. I was like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Very, very unhappy. I told my grandma about it because she uses this product line a lot, Paul Mitchell. It's just kind of a classic hairstyle brand, hairdressing brand. And she was like, oh, I never liked that product. So I guess it's not like a favorite amongst people, but I thought I saw the Paul Mitchell and I was kind of fooled, I guess. But it's okay. As consumers, everybody, sees a label and they're quick to jump on it. And that's why you have people like me out there that want to review things for you guys so that you don't have to make the same mistakes that we do. And you can spend your money more wise and use the internet in a positive way. So yeah, overall, I would give this product maybe 1 out of 5 stars. The scent, honestly, to me, is not the worst thing about it. The scent, I don't know, it doesn't bother me that much, but for somebody else, I'm sure it would. People don't tend to enjoy hairspray smells. For the overall packaging of the product, the sprayer is too dense. It's too much product. If it was like lighter, maybe it would work well. It's just such a heavy product, and I don't understand because it says that it's supposed to be flexible. The label, it's just a classic label. It doesn't bother me. I don't think it's a bad label at all. The scent, like I said, for me, it's not horrible, but for somebody else, I don't think you would like it at all. For the formula of it, just super heavy, flaky, drying, stiff, but not stiff enough to hold, but just stiff enough to make your hair look weird. Not sure what they were trying to do, but that's okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.